The Kambsdal Business College is a part of the Faroese Business College system, and its primary focus is the one-year foundation-level program enabling students to go on to further training in business or to the Faroese Teachers College. The college also offers a number of relevant distant learning courses and a variety of relevant short courses. The basic training offered by the college helps to prepare a student for employment in the private sector, as well as in government administration. The college is located in a spacious building with well-equipped classrooms and study areas. The school cafeteria offers breakfast for early arriving students, as well as a hot midday meal. As would be expected, the cafeteria is a welcome retreat for relaxing and socializing for both students and teachers alike.